What do you want out of this game? What do you want to record?
I guess Zen gameplay. I haven't played him like in the past day or whatever, but my cursor's stuck in the middle of my screen.
Uh-oh.
How do I
the overlay and take it away again?
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna alt F9 for it.
No, it's my Overwatch cursor. Oh god, how do I make this go away? Oh, that's gonna bug me forever. Please, God. It's like, well, it's in the middle of my screen. Like it's exactly where I'm looking to aim.
You can't alt tab and go back in. Maybe it'll
I've done that multiple times.
Okay.
How did you start your recording?
Let's go bottom. Oh, okay. Never
Alt
mind.
Z.
I'll wait for
Alt
you
Z?
guys.
Oh, and now I can't. Oh my
They're
god.
on the top.
Now my HUD's gone
They're on
too,
the left.
and I can't get
Alt
it back.
Z brings them
Yeah,
back.
they are
I know
far
Alt
left,
Z
yeah.
does bring it back, but it wasn't doing it. There we go. Now it. Whatever. I'll just ignore it.
Oh, Doomfist is solo.
Okay, move up. Let's keep
He's
burning
Discord.
down the shit.
Ryan, if
Yeah,
Ryan's
sure,
shield
yeah.
is pretty much down. Whoop. Oh.
What a counter charge.
Got him.
I'm down. I'm down. Reset. 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 Back out. Back out.
God, fuck these people.
2 people died. We didn't reset hard enough.
Doomfist is in. Doomfist is in.
I can only run back as
Yeah,
far
no,
fast
it's
as I
just,
can, Gary.
At that point,
Doomfist
good
down.
now.
like just die. It's a faster reset than trying to get away when you have no clear chance of getting away, or if you don't know.
Get the break on the right. He's Discord. Take him out. Break through the shield. Just scatter him. Go purple. Go go.
Oh, that shatter down.
I'm down. I shouldn't have
Keep
charged.
pushing.
I
Keep
know, I know.
pushing. Yep, shit, that Ryan's back.
There's a Lucio on me in the back.
I put that barrier on the wrong person.
Low break. Low break.
Help my soldier!
I didn't want to do that, but it's gonna be
I
okay.
don't understand why that would.
Actually, that worked really well.
Gary, I have a recording to show you.
Good.
Oh, blocked it.
Oh fuck.
She's one. Alright, 3 endpoint, 3. Push on, push up, Victor. Oh,
Fuck! I'm dead. I'm sleeping.
Oh shit.
Ryan endpoint.
Close to Ryan.
God. I need to
Okay, I'm moving
close and
forward.
restart.
Someone needs to stay on point. Shadow, I think that's you.
Yeah, okay, on it. We have people, we have 2 people back spawn, so careful out there.
Yeah, I'm not there yet.
Okay.
Got their Lucio.
Okay.
Got their Doomfist.
Projected's down.
Ryan has ult.
Shadow.
Watch out. Ryan is down.
Ryan's dead.
Get that break.
Nice purple.
See a purple?
Thank you.
I got the Doomfist.
Oh,
I have my ult. I'm gonna go top and behind. Sleeps, you have yours.
It's already about
Yes.
half.
Okay. Are you coming
You
with
gotta
me or you
yell.
staying there?
No, I'm staying there, but you gotta yell.
Okay.
I've got ult. I've got ult.
I'm gonna wait till Ryan moves
I
forward.
rolled for you guys.
Kind of
Okay, ulting.
Break Discord.
Okay.
Doomfist, Doomfist.
Still a Doomfist?
It's coming down.
Nice charge.
Nice. Good stuff. Thanks, Sleeps.
Moving forward.
Fucking textbook.
Going down
Weird
the
ult.
mid. Do I have anyone behind me?
I got one with you, but
We're kind of far back. We're on the
Yeah,
payload.
sorry,
Okay,
I'm sorry.
I'm not doing much then.
Focus shield. Shield's down.
It's not done. Oh,
Nice, nice.
Nice.
we're in one.
Run down.
Nice.
Probably
Keep moving
could've-
forward. Keep moving forward.
Yeah,
Someone stay on point.
Yep.
I'm on you, Vic.
Got the Doomfist.
Nice.
Keep on the Zarya.
I can't see you. I can't see you.
Back it
Back
up.
it, back it, back it.
Diva.
Back
You're
it,
good.
back it.
I'll probably aim.
Anna's sleep is down.
Oh, they don't have soldier.
Oh my
Whoa!
God.
What happened to you three?
Doomfist.
Yeah.
Doomfist having us.
I'm
How'd you
running.
kill
I'm
all
running.
of you?
I have to run.
Alright, I've got ult.
Oh, I see what happened.
I don't have ult yet, but I'm close.
Nice try, Brad.
Doomfist down. I have ult. I have ult.
So I killed
Keep that
the-
shield up. We need to heal people.
Yeah, you also need to be healed.
Sleeps, do you have your ult?
Yeah, shit.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Shield's
that's
down,
the guy.
shield's down.
Back up, back up, back up.
Okay.
Ha!
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, her
They
res
just
is
res-
Oh,
down.
nice. You got a pick? Do they have a Rhine
Is ours
anymore?
personal down?
No, they don't.
No,
Okay, let's go. Ult me.
that's not you.
Oh.
Fuck.
It's okay, I'm still
God
killing
damn it.
everybody.
Got the Doomfist.
Okay, not quite everybody. Well, I still did pretty good with the Anna ult. So it's...
We mega T-posed on them though.
The thing we made
Who
for
got
the
it? Like, who intercepted the ult?
Shadow.
Oh,
The ulting Zarya. I mean, what's his face?
should be fine. Should still be fine. He said without knowing.
This is fine.
Ow! Go ahead, shoot at me, I don't care.
GG.
Well, that was easy.
Alright, how do I make this cursor
Okay.
go away? How do I make it
Those
go away?
were good grabs.
Those were good grabs.
Yeah, they were.
The first one was an accident.
First one was a bit of a bit. It went a little, you know, a little sideways, but
What do you mean?
I'm-
We got
I'm
point
the
off
devil.
it.
We got a point.
oh my! I might be thinking about the wrong game, to be honest.
Maybe. Maybe.
Please, cursor, go away.
What's that?
That's on your
Paris map?
recording the entire time.
Is the Paris map your first game of the night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a shitty 2 maps to start the games with.
Yeah.
Right?
I like
Oh my
Blizzard
God,
World.
yeah. I can't
Blizzard
believe
World
how,
is growing on me a little bit.
Yeah.
I can't believe how thankful I am for Blizzard World because it's not Paris.
Can you imagine that back-to-back Paris?
Oh fuck.
I don't even know what I'd do. I'd probably just leave. I'd be like, sorry guys.
Take the loss.
Sorry guys. No.
Gary,
That way
you
I
know,
could at least
if
say
you
I
leave
left.
like that, you lose SR. You know that
You lose
important number
50
we're not
SR.
caring about.
My mental health is more important than my SR.
You know what? I respect that. Good job, Gary.
I hope this cursor's on the recording, then you'll know why I'm acting the way I
I'm
am.
so angry at it.
It. Oh my God.
Maybe okay. You know what? After this, we'll let Shadow, restart
Fix this
Overwatch,
shit.
and
Yeah.
maybe it'll work. Oh,
Hopefully this doesn't happen every time I try recording.
Ooh, Jesus.
Going right.
person leave. I wonder if they're gonna come back.
Are they? No, they went main?
Where are any of them?
Okay,
They
there's
went
one
right?
main.
Or, right.
Torbjorn's
What
coming
was
back.
that?
Oh, they're down one.
Yeah,
Oh, that sucks.
unlucky.
This isn't a fun game.
I disagree. I'm quite happy to take a win.
The first half was a good match.
What the?
Ow.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they didn't tell us they had a disconnect.
Yeah, right.
It wasn't a disconnect. He left.
Oh. Well, no.
Well-
Doesn't
Yeah.
it normally let you know anyway?
It will let your team know that if you
Yeah.
leave, it's a.
Oh, but the enemy team doesn't know.
Nope.
Okay, there's a Sombra now. She's right side. Oh boy.
Gotti.
Maybe this is the long game. Maybe he's coming back, and they're just
The long
like
con?
lulling
The
us into
long
a
con.
yeah,
False sense of security.
yeah.
Yeah,
One
seems
hell of a
legit, dude.
strategy.
Gotti.
Oh my god!
Should I,
Fucking
like,
love
stand
this.
back
I
here?
love Satan. I love Satan.
Victor backed up, you guys.
Okay, okay.
No, no. I'm just
Okay.
floating. I don't really know where
Sombra.
to go.
Pick a
on
spot
point.
and stick to it.
I'm staying here then.
Yeah, you
She was up
position's
top.
Oh, woo.
Bye.
Nice. You froze her at the perfect time.
This is
Thank
a
you.
little sad.
Oh, I killed her!
Bye. Satan's the best. Satan's the best.
Victor, while I was behind you, I definitely took that sleep for you.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Well, this is disappointing. What a
Yeah,
bomb. What a bomb.
wow. Lame. Oh
well,
my
There
god.
we go.
Well,
No, the time passed. They're leaving.
Okay, guys, I'm ulting.
Don't do that. They're all gonna come back. Oh,
Competitive match complete. Wait.
did we get a win for that?
Yeah. I went up.
Better.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll play one more. Because
That wasn't.
that wasn't a game.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I should probably stop recording.
Oh yeah.